Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and adorable desk calendar come small bookshelf, and you can just slide the month like this from this window, and I will also share how to make the base, how to decorate with the tiny miniature things. You can just stand it like this. And from back side of the shelf I have added all remaining months so that you can easily change it from the front just by sliding it. Isn't it a great idea to decorate your desk in upcoming years? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 30 by 15 centimeter white color cardstock. This is 300 GSM cardstock. Just folding it from center. I am creating my shelf base here. And now I am taking one more white color cardstock piece which measures 10 by 11 centimeters. Now from this side I have creased at 1, 5 and 9 centimeters. So first we just need to fold it like this from center, and then these two small parts we have to fold upward from both the sides. So it should look like a W shape. And then we have to just join these small flaps from both the sides inside our big card. And before sticking, I am just chopping all 4 corners. Then add glue on the strip and stick it inside the folded flap. So the base for our calendar is ready. Now here I am taking 19 by 17 centimeter white color cardstock, and from all 4 sides I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Here I am showing you how to make the shadow box to add dimension to our calendar. Now from 4th vertical line and 1st horizontal line I am marking at 1 centimeters. Similarly marking at 2nd horizontal line, and repeating this on right side. And then we just need to join these markings diagonally, then straight, then again diagonal, then straight and the horizontal line. Marking on left side as well. And then we just need to cut the pencil markings. With the similar way, I am going to repeat on bottom side. So all the cutting is done. Now I am just folding all the creased parts, burnish it nicely using bone folder for the crisp folds, and then we just need to tuck these flaps inside each other to construct the shadow box. And the shadow box is ready. Now just flip it downward and I'm going to stick it in the bottom of our base calendar like this. And the base is completely ready. Then here I am taking 12 by 11 centimeter white color cardstock to create the pocket from which we are going to slide our calendar month. And from 3 sides I have creased at 1 centimeters. 4th side I have kept as it is because we are going to slide the month flap through this. So first I am folding all these 3 flaps. Chopping the corners. And then inside this I have marked from all 4 sides at 0.8 centimeters. So we just need to create a frame of 0.8 centimeters. So quickly I am making one line at these markings, and then I am going to cut the frame using my paper cutter. So the frame is ready and it should look like this. Then on back side of the frame I am sticking same size peach color cardstock. And inside also I am sticking one more cardstock so that our calendar month flap will go smoothly inside this. Burnish it nicely. And our pocket for the month flap is ready. Then I am decorating this pocket from the border using designer paper frame. And then sticking this pocket on top of the shadow box. After that I am decorating all 4 sides of the shadow box using designer paper strip. Then adding one designer paper on top. And also sticking designer paper on back side of the calendar. So this is completely ready, nice and sturdy. Then here I have created one small packet to keep our remaining calendar months, and I am sticking this packet on back side. So you can tuck the months like this. So here I have printed all the months on pastel color cardstock pieces. And this measures 10.5 by 8.5 centimeters. So all our 12 months are ready, and I am also showing you how you can work on your calendar. So you just need to slide it from your packet like this, and it's good to go, good to decorate your workspace or your room. And now it's time to decorate with the shelves. So here I am taking 1.5 by 11 centimeter pink color pattern paper, sticking it on the top. Then taking here 5.5 by 1.5 centimeter pattern paper. Here I have added 5 layers together to create the thick layered shelf. So I am adding one shelf on right side and one more same size shelf on little upward on the left side. So both the shelves are attached. Now it's time to create the miniatures. So I'm starting with making small flower pot. Here I'm taking brown color 2mm strip and just wrapping it around the paintbrush and making one ring shape. Taking out from brush and attaching half strip again to this and making a big ring. So this is done. Now taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Just opening it little bit using fingers. Add glue inside this, spread it using brush. And I have created one tight coil dome which is made using 2 strips of brown color already. So I'm joining both the parts together and our super cute flower pot is ready. Allow it to dry. Then to make sunflower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 1 mm and making one leaf shape. Now joining total 8 petals together to create the flower. And in the center I am adding brown color tight coil which is made using half strip of 2 mm brown color. So the sunflower is also ready. Then here I am taking one piece of toothpick which I have colored in green color as a stem. So sticking the stem with the flower. Then taking my flower pot and sticking the flower inside the pot by adding glue on the stem. And also I have created 2 small green color leaves using sap green color 2 mm strips. So just attaching both the leaves like this. And our super cute sunflower flower pot is ready. Then I am showing you how to make the pen stand. So here I am taking 11 by 1 centimeter light purple color paper strip and just wrapping it around my thick pencil and making one big ring. Then sticking it on purple color paper and allow it to dry. Then taking again a small piece of toothpick, coloring it with dark purple color, and the tip I am coloring with black color. So in this way you can create super cute small pencils. And I have already created different pencils in the bright shades like this. Then taking back my pen stand, cutting the excess paper from bottom and sticking all the pencils inside this. So the super cute pencil stand or pen stand is ready. Then here I have prepared this big dome using 6 strips of pink color in 2 mm. This is the lamp shade, and to create the base of lamp shade here I am using 3 different sizes of pearls, sticking it on top of each other. And then sticking the lamp shade. So very easily you can create such kind of cute lamps. And this is ready. Now keeping it aside, and I am showing you how to make small book. So here I am taking white color sheet which is 12 by 3 centimeters, and on each 1 centimeter interval I have creased it. So we have to fold this creased part in zigzag manner. Just add glue inside each zigzag shape and stick it very well using paper clip. allow it to dry. Then to create book cover, I am taking light peach color cardstock and wrapping it around the book. Decorating the side of the book using golden paper strips. And the book is ready. So cute. So in the similar way, I have prepared lots of books in different sizes. Now I have also prepared this small tray using peach color cardstock and added one small cup, just like we created the pen stand in the smaller size. And also I have created this super cute miniature frame. I have just drawn one cute cat picture on this and added one flap to make the frame stand. So you can do any small drawing to create small frame. And now it's time to decorate all the shelves. So taking back my calendar base, and one by one I am going to stick books, flower pot, lampshade, small tray, frame and the pen stand. So everything is attached nicely, and now I am just sliding the January month from the flap, and our beautiful desk calendar miniature shelf is ready. On back side in the pocket I have added remaining months already. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments eagerly. Wish you a very happy new year in advance. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.